Okay, so we're going to use the start using the API, and before that we have to authenticate it. And the easiest way to do it is not to use PuTTY, but to use the VNC, because you have to switch between several browsers. So I highly recommend that you now start the VNC, and within VNC you open a terminal window. It might sound a little bit strange, but my experience is that works the best. So we are now here in the same space. So here we go. What we do, we're going to start this batch file yt.sh is a shell script. So let's have a look what it looks like. Basically what it does, it calls a Python script called upload. It uploads a file which is temporarily stored. That file was just generated by the program. You see it here. We just already had a look at it. We say, okay, it's a test1 test category 22 privacy private. So this is a standard call, and for this I use the standard upload py file, which is provided by Google. So in case they change this into the future, you just have to do this. So the main program of the birdhouse basically calls this in a shell script. So I thought it would be very useful to do two stages, because Google and YouTube tend to improve things continuously, and so we can make use of the standard upload py. Okay, so there we go. Let's have a look what happens now. This is a delicate process what's now going to happen, so please have a careful look. As I said, I've started I've generated a recording manually with the record Python script, and now we're going to hit and enter the YouTube shell script, and then we are going through an authentication process. So this is what happens. So here we go. It's now starting. It's not really fast machine, so we have to be patient. It's booting up the Python script, and now it says go to the following link in your browser. So we have to select. You see, we are in the VNC. We are now have to select the whole thing here. We do a copy URL. Okay, look what I do. I now go back to my computer browser. I paste it here in my computer browser. I say okay. I have to enter the bird box. Okay. I say okay, advanced. Go to bird box. Okay. Manage, allow. And now, okay, allow again. And now comes back with the activation key. I copy this key. Okay. Look carefully. Now I go back to this VNC mode here. And with the right mouse button, I paste it, I enter it. It says authentication successfully, uploading the file. So now it's uploading the file. So this was the reason I was using the VNC. If you do this process while using PuTTY, it's much more difficult. So it says in the Raspberry says that the descriptor says it has been uploaded successfully, and now we're going to have a look in the YouTube channel if that's really the case. So we go to the Creator Studio. So we go back to the browser of the computer. Here we go to the YouTube Studio, and there under the section videos in our it must be there. So let's have a quick look. Yep, it's here. It's here. This is it. Yeah, it's well, to be honest, this one it's dark outside. It is a dark video, but it says hello world. Yeah, you have to need. This was just a video we just have created. You also see test here. So we basically now have proven that we can upload videos from the Raspberry Pi. So we are now ready for the next step.